Hey everybody, it's Pete Carmasino with Chaikin Analytics. Just a reminder, this is not meant to be advice. It's for educational purposes only. Not an advisor, don't know your risk tolerance. We're not licensed as advisors, and just wanted to let you know this is for informational purposes only, to show you how to use our system, how you can use it yourself, not meant to be advice. Thanks. Today's stock is the Hartford Insurance Group, symbol HIG. Let's go to the chart. Hartford Insurance up big today, 10%, up over $6 a share. Was even higher, up to roughly maybe 65 or so, it looks like, 66. What's the story? Stock jumps 6.8, almost now 10%, after a report of talks with Chubb. So it looks like there might be a takeout candidate. So what can we learn from this? Well, the setup is there, right? I mean, what happens often is our rating, which is based off of 20 factors in these categories, financials, earnings, technicals, and experts, was bullish. And what happens, as I said many times, is that sometimes the rating turns bullish before the technical setups occur. So this relative strength setup really started back in November, right after elections. Got as low as the $44, $45 mark, and just continually made a move higher. Was really kind of boring old insurance company, right? So here's the stock that's up big today. It was paying you a decent yield, much better than most of the 10 and 20 and 30-year treasury bonds at some point. And the relative strength was getting stronger and stronger. The whole group has been really performing. I pulled up the KIE, which is the Spider S&P Insurance ETF. We've got a bullish rating on that. And right around the same time, you can see that that particular ETF was also experiencing a relative strength change and got bullish as well. Ratings kind of moved back and forth, but it ultimately came back to bullish. And that's a component of our ETF rating. But if I go back to HIG, here it was, big gap up, earnings. There might have been news here. I don't know exactly what that, well, it could have been, that could have been the election. I'm not exactly sure what happened there. But there could have been an upgrade there. You can go back in the news and check that out. But the point I'm trying to make is that everything was in order here, right? We had a bullish rating. We had a relative strength change. We're above long-term trend. The group was strong. The industry was strong. Earnings were highlighted as beating, about 55-cent beat there, another 44 cents beat there. And money flow was really staying steady here for this portion of the rest of that move, which was really still around that price of around $44, $45. So when you see these names, especially in big names like this, you're having relative strength changes. These are real. These happen time and time again. I could show you hundreds of examples where this pattern has repeated itself over and over, and that's what we're all about. It's a process that's repeatable, that you can use our system. You can find these names they're setting up. You can be alerted through email, and that's what we're all about. So how do you use this for yourself? Well, the first step would be to take a trial. It's 14 days, it's free, no obligation. Come in and take a look. It's chaikinanalytics.com/stock spotlight. You'll find names like Hartford that are setting up. The Hartford Group, HIG, set up months ago, and it's paid off largely today for those people who had paid attention to it. Take this opportunity. It's 14 days. Try it for yourself. You get our newsletters. You'll get tutorials. You'll get access to all of our support staff. Give it a try. What do you have to lose? Follow me on Twitter at Pete Carmasino on Twitter. We do some interesting things there as well. Thanks again for listening, and have a great day.